Mel 2204, your project vlogger host. Subscribe. Ito ang setup ng Miss Cosmo International 2024 kahapon bago mag-collapse ang setup ng stage ng Miss Cosmo. Breaking news dahil kagabi nga ay nagkaroon ng hindi magandang insidente sa naginagawang stage ng Miss Cosmo para sa kanilang preliminary and final competition. Nag-collapse nga ang ilang parte ng stage at we are praying for the safety of everyone. Wala namang nabalitang nasaktan sa insidente. Narito ang statement na ibinigay ng Miss Cosmo Organization. Dear esteemed partners and audience, Miss Cosmo Organization announces technical incident at the preliminary night and the grand final stage. On September 8, 2024, a technical incident occurred during the finalization of the main stage for Miss Cosmo 2024. Upon immediate discovery, the Miss Cosmo Organization swiftly collaborated with technical experts, medical units, and relevant authorities to address the situation. Initial assessments confirm that there were no significant damages. We will continue to work with related parties to determine the root cause of the incident and provide updates to the public as soon as possible. Furthermore, we have promptly implemented measures to ensure the well-being and stability of all contestants. Their safety remains our top priority at this time. All information regarding the preliminary night and the grand finale rounds of Miss Cosmo 2024 will be shared with you as soon as it becomes available. We sincerely appreciate the understanding and support of our audience, contestants, and partners. Sincerely, Miss Cosmo Organization. Samantala, na-sprain daw ang ankle ni Miss Cosmo Philippines Maria Atisa Manalo sa kabila ng kanilang pag-iensayo sa preliminary competition. Narito, panoorin po natin. Sa ngayon ay nagpapahinga si Maria Atisa Manalo at naghahanda para sa kanyang laban sa preliminary competition. Hindi naman naging maluha ang kanyang kalagayan, kung kaya't patuloy natin siyang ipagdasal at patuloy natin siyang suportahan upang maging okay na ang ating pambato. Patuloy na nakantabay sa channel na ito para sa lahat ng mga updates. Maraming salamat sa iyong panonood at huwag kalimutan na mag-subscribe.